Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So just first to do that, we should open notification panel shortcuts, and somewhere here we should find this card QR code icon. Just tap here once on this icon, and after that we should put our QR code here in this frame. Okay, now just let's wait a second, and now we can see that we can copy this link, for example, to send to just someone, or to open it in just in another browser, not in default one, or also you can just directly open it in the browser. So just tap it here, and now we can see here that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.